honey bunny, it is your sis Rocky. If you're part of the bunny family, welcome back. I am so happy to have you. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. Here I make videos about natural hair, skin, and just overall health and wellness. So if you are not part of the bunny family, hit that subscribe button below and join the family, and also turn on your notification bells. In today's video, I am going to be doing a wash and go featuring some of my favorite products. At the end of 2018, I made a video going over all of my favorite products, and in that video I mentioned this Shea Moisture Baobab and Tea Tree Low Porosity Protein Free Leave-In Detangler as one of my favorite leave-ins. I also mentioned this EcoStyler Super Protein as one of my favorite gels. I'm also going to be doing a battle of the gels. So I am going to be using my favorite EcoStyler on the right, which is the Super Protein, and then I'm going to be using my second to favorite EcoStyler on the left, the EcoStyler for color treated hair. So if this sounds appealing to you, let's just hop into this video. Okay, so for today's wash and go, as I mentioned, I am going to be using the Baobab and Tea Tree Low Porosity Protein Free Leave-In Detangler. I will be using the EcoStyler Super Protein Max 10 Hold. My love for this gel has to do with the color. When I use it, it blends in with my hair. As you can see, my hair is sectioned and I have it in little bantu knots. This is the way I prefer to do my hair now. It just makes my wash day so much simpler. I don't get as frustrated as I used to, and I just find the process to be just more beneficial. If you struggle with anxiety as well during wash day, I highly recommend making sure your hair is always thoroughly detangled during each step of the process and breaking your hair down into small sections according to your density. On the left side, I will be using the EcoStyler for colored hair, and it's also a Max 10 Hold. I use my 3-row comb from mid-length to ends. Okay, so I am going to sit under my hooded dryer just to get the drying process going so that my hair has a little less frizz. Because I am sitting under my hooded dryer and I have fine strands, my strands are a little bit more prone to heat damage. So I'm going to be applying a little bit of grapeseed oil as a heat protectant. After I've thoroughly dried my hair, I will come back to you with an update on my hair, how it looks, which side of my hair I prefer. Do I still prefer my favorite Eco Max 10 Super Protein, or do I actually like my Eco for color treated hair a little bit better? So my hair is thoroughly dried. I did sit under my hooded dryer for about 40 minutes. You know, a lot of people have this theory that you can't get heat damage from sitting under a hooded dryer. It all depends on your hair. There is no one size fits all when it comes to hair care. Someone with super thick hair strands, super thick hair strands, not their density, but their strand size, can use a moderate amount of heat and not get any heat damage, whereas someone like me can use heat one time and use the tiniest amount and get heat damage. Do pay attention to your hair, and like I always say, do what works best for your hair. So like I told you, I used my favorite Eco Styler on the right, and then I used my second favorite Eco Styler on the left. I actually really like both sides. What I do really love about this particular gel is that it's brown, it blends in with my hair, I don't get a lot of residue. But I find that even on this side, I didn't have super white cakey hair, but if I have to pick a side, I would give it to the right side. It is my preferred gel. It is my favorite gel. It always performs so well. The Eco for color treated hair is in a high second. So even in 2019, I still love the products that I loved in 2018. So I hope you liked this wash and go. I hope you learned something new. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment them below. I would love to hear from you. As always, like, comment, share, and subscribe because I'd love to have you. But until next time, see ya!